Okay, I'm going to show you how to fit this liner, and I just want to show you this will not work unless you are absolutely 45 degrees, and here's how you would check that. This is a stair. This is not a store-bought. You can't go to Home Depot or Lowe's to buy this. You buy this from the stair company, or you go to Browning and Sharp, but that is really good. That's got to be 45 degrees that way, and then this has got to be 90 degrees across here as well. Short pieces first, and all you do is you take your miter and you butt it into here, and with a sharp pencil you come over here and you make your mark. Okay, there's a bird's eye view of, look at how beautiful the inside of that is. Now that's not only the best part, you'll see it from the outside with my design. See, when I cut that away, you'll see that liner. That's why I made it a little bit thicker, and that's what it'll look like on the inside when you take the top off. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great